Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the Learners Club YouTube channel. Let's learn pronunciation. 10 more words you might pronounce incorrectly. Yes, recapitulation is very important. First, we revise the last 10 words. Say these words: bicycle, apple, happy, guava, restaurant, asthma, yacht, pigeon, plumber, pronunciation. Let's get started our lesson. The first word is salmon. Say this word: salmon. L is silent here. Salmon is the fish name. Salmon. Number 2. Lattice. Say this word: lattice. Second T is not pronounced and U gives the sound of E. Lattice. Say this word: lattice. Number 3. Brochure. Don't say brochure. It's wrong. Brochure. Brochure. CH gives the sound of SH, sh. And R is not pronounced. Brochure. Brochure. Number 4. Bouquet. Bouquet. Q gives the sound K and T is silent. Bouquet. Say this word: bouquet. Number 5. Almond. Yes, L is silent. Don't pronounce L. Almond. And A gives the long sound. A की लंबी आवाज होगी, थोड़ा सा खींचेंगे आ. Mund. Almond. Almond. Number 6. Anchor. Anchor. CH gives the sound of K, K, and R is not pronounced. Anchor. Anchor. Don't say anchor. It's wrong. Anchor. Number 7. Architect. Say this word: architect. Yes, R is not pronounced. R is silent in this word and CH gives the sound of K, K. Architect. Say this word: architect. Number 8. Alarm. Don't say alarm. It's wrong. Alarm. R is not pronounced in this word. Alarm. Say this word: alarm. Number 9. Ancient. Say this word: ancient. Don't say ancient. It's wrong. CI gives the sound sh. Ancient. Say the word: ancient. The last but not least, icon. Yes, don't say icon. It's wrong. Icon. Say the word: icon. Icon. Thanks for watching this video. Inshallah next video में 10 words के साथ हम आपको दोबारा pronunciation सिखाएंगे. Subscribe the channel The Learners Club.